Boy. You'd suit that. I just ate frog eggs.
Yes, up. So cute.
Huh?
It's like little arms.
Okay, welcome back. We're having a pretty solid week again. Nothing crazy, but we caught a really nice position yesterday, which I'm going to run through. I'm up 7,000, so I'll show you the dashboard for that as well. The markets right now are very, very difficult to trade. There's a lot of moves happening and there's a lot of positions you could be taking, but they are driven by the fundamentals and they're coming in waves. A lot of people are struggling due to that, which is completely fine. I think even if you understand fundamentals, that's not really going to help you too much either, because no one really knows what's going on right now, especially with the USD. There's so much uncertainty. But listen, that's trading conditions, and I think it's hard to think of a time where it's been like this in my 4 or 5 years of trading. But listen, you got to get on with it. And if you don't know what really is going on, lower your risk or don't trade. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to show you this position that I took yesterday. Really, really nice position. It was a 2.8 RR. So I'm just going to explain why I took it. Red boxes are 4-hour resistances, supports. So yeah, we came down, we rejected. Great. This 4-hour candle then came out, came down, it rejected as well. Okay. This green candle, you can see that it didn't make a bottom wick. Now, the importance of, a candle making a top and bottom wick, I'll ask you, pause the video, find me the last candle that doesn't have a top or a bottom wick. Pause it, right? Ignore this one because this is from market close. Find me one. You probably can't. Or no, sorry, I've just found one right there, just there. But what I'm trying to say is that they're very rare. And when they're very rare, it means you can use it to your advantage. You know that statistically speaking, candles are likely, very likely, to make both a top and a bottom wick. So if a candle has yet to make a bottom wick or a top wick, you know that it could flip. It could flip and go down and make it. It may not make a massive one, but it might make one. So what we could see here is we didn't make a bottom wick. And that's fine, but I took it into account. Then when it closed, I know this is a very strong 4-hour level. You can see it many times, many times. So I was like, I'm going to be getting into a position, not only based on that, but also on the higher time frames. I break down the monthly, the weekly, the daily, the 4-hour and the 1 hour. So I'm only going to be showing you the 4-hour and the 1 hour, but the higher time frames, they supported this trade continuing down bearish. So I enter just at this resistance here, okay, in anticipation of it coming back down. Now, what was important here, or why I was pretty confident in the trade, is if we go to the 1-hour time frame just up here, you can see that we also have a 1-hour support here. And if you are going to be watching this channel, you're going to see that I am huge on identifying the 1-hour net. Okay, the 1-hour net is the following of resistance after a 4-hour. Now you can see that that is right here. What it does is it catches all the noise. All the noise of the 1 hour, or the 30 minute, or the 15 minute, whatever you're trading on, it all gets caught. So even though the 1 hour might close above this 4-hour resistance, it will respect the following 1-hour resistance, the 1-hour net. That's why people get caught in fake outs. That's why they think, oh, look, it's closed above, I'm going to take a buy. Fantastic, the 1 hour's got in. And then suddenly it just completely reverses. It happens all the time. And it's such a simple thing to understand. Resistances come in pairs. So the reason I'm saying that is because I just wanted to protect my stop loss. If it did push up to this level, I was still protected. But you can see that we ended up just rejecting all the way down. And I closed out. I didn't close out right at the bottom, and I certainly didn't hold all the way down here. I was comfortable with this area or just before this area, just because I know trade management wise, sometimes it will come down to the area that I'm looking to get out of and then just reject way more. I'd rather miss out on the 5, 6, 7, 10, 15 pips and make sure I've secured the position, especially if the RR is already strong, which it is as a 2.8. That's what I did. And it was a really nice trade. Really, I was in a little bit of drawdown. And to be honest, even though it only seems like a little bit of drawdown, and I was in it for a decent amount of time, to be honest with you, from what I remember anyway. I did record the position, and we didn't actually when I entered, we hadn't made a bottom wick here on the 4-hour, which is also going to what I was saying earlier of the importance of a top and a bottom wick. Okay, so this is one of my accounts. It's a 200K account, and you can see that we're up 3.69%, which is just 7K profit or so. which is it's solid. It is solid, and the reason I'm pointing this out is so that you can see that you don't need to be making 100% returns a month, which is what some like gurus and trading people try and say that they need, which is weird because it's just a complete lie, and they're not making 100% months. And number two is they don't need to flex or pretend that they're making those type of returns, because you don't need to have those crazy returns to make a lot of money in trading, or at least decent money in trading. 3.69%, that's not a lot, man. That's not a lot. But the money, when you're doing this over not just one account, but 5 different accounts of 200K, that's now suddenly like 35,000 for the month or for the week. Who knows how many trades you've taken. So you don't need to be making... It's just interesting, and that's something that I'm really big on teaching. The best traders in the world are making 2 to 6% a month on their trades. So I'm just saying that even if you're on like, you know, $1,000 account, if you're making, you know, 1 to 3% a month, you are incredible. You are genuinely incredible, and your only problem is that you don't have the account sizes. Or don't be trying to flip accounts, don't be trying to do anything crazy. It's a load of bullshit, and the most important thing is it's not sustainable. I've had this account for over a year. Probably a year and a half now, and I've never even come close to losing it. You'll see that in a second. My lowest walk, I think I've only been a max of like 3% down on the account at any given point. So yeah, I mean that's my advice. I'm going to show you the account stats. You can see that my average win here is $2,250. Great. The important part here is my average loss. That's only $1,000. That means my RR is somewhere around like 2.2, 2.25, which is very good. Very, very good. That's what you need to be doing. You don't want to be one of those guys. Yeah, it kind of works, but very few people can do it where it works well, where you're risking more. So you're risking, let's say, $2,000 to make $500 or $1,000. You're relying on having a really, really high win rate in comparison to me. I can have even a 50% win rate and still be making really good returns. Even 40%, even a 30% win rate, and I'm still doing well. I'm still, you know, making profit. That's powerful. Yeah, so it's important to, you know, obviously practice what you preach. I'll tell everybody these principles. You need a high account size, you need small returns, and you need a good RR. There are three core principles that will get you far in trading. Genuinely far, not this bullshit 100% months or turning, you know, $100 into $1 million, which I somehow see get a ton of views, but you know, it is what it is. But anyway, I'm going to be heading out for the day. This is a day in the life, so we're going to completely forget about the charts. No more trading talk. Let's go.
Just cough properly. Did you cough like this?
Yeah, it's dry.
Yeah, so cough properly and then it gets out.
Good?
No, it's not.
That's so funny.
Ooh. Yes, sir. Alright, let's try this. It got better. It got better as I went on. That's not for me. This is for me. You know what we're getting? Chicken smoothie. That's good.
It is.
I like that.
Finally.
Bravo. Bravo. You gonna teach me?
I go like this.
Kind of like that?
Yeah. Yes.
You got a whole little meal here.
Can I try some?
Tell which one's mine.
I said no.
No, I'm good. Fiddly thing. I like that. I think the malls are a little bit too big for me. It's just so much, you know?
That's why it's called mall.
Yeah. It's just a bit like the underground, really. We're in the gallery. Let's have a look. Don't.
No, give me one hand.
You drew a penis. Oh, that's actually nice. I thought you were gonna do something mean.
It's my word.
Oh, is it? Talk me through it. What is it meant to be?
Husky?
Husky. You'd suit that. That's a madness. Ooh. I don't really know what any of this is, but it's kind of cool, I guess. How's that up? I don't see the vision. I don't see the vision. Is that something like an NBA player would wear for a game?
Have it.
Yeah, not for me, not for me. It took so long to eat. Oh. Why is it so squidgy? What is that? What are those? What? I thought it was chocolate. Definitely not chocolate.
No.
What is that?
Frog eggs.
Are you serious?
Yes. Ask them, it's true. It's,
I just ate frog eggs.
yes, up.
Right, let's take our mind off it. Okay, what are we dealing with here? And for me, 30 per person. How mad is that? Get some of your aggression out. 428. That is a record, mate. She was meant to record, she didn't record me. Alright, give me your bag, give me your bag. You need all your power here. Go on.
Yes! Oh my!
Close.
That's close! Do it again, do it again, do it again.
What? Okay. I can't save everyone, man. I need to save myself. That's a hard one to get. Oh, I think you got that. Come on! No! That was good. Yeah, go on. Let's just waste all the money on it. We're having that fucking bear. What the fuck are they doing? I thought it said trans, eat free. I was about to put on my best impression. God damn. See, like dinosaurs now.
So cute.
Huh?
Like, little arms.
The T-Rex is not cute. T-Rex is scary.
Really?
Yeah, what a day, what a day. I've enjoyed that.
I didn't expect that.
You didn't expect what?
Like, this one's gonna be boring day.
You think? It's better than what I planned, to be fair. Like, it's better than what I
We
planned.
didn't know what we didn't have plans, you know?
Another wonderful day in Bangkok. Wonderful. Say like, had a great day.
再见。